Go ahead. Grab its lip.
When you grab them, just do that. There you go.
Hold on tight. Ready?
Nope.
Look at him. Okay, where are you going with him? You gotta put him back in the water now. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Ava, you wanna hold him? Let Ava hold him.
Put him by the lip. Okay? Okay, Ava? Okay? Hold him.
Go ahead.
Touch him on the ground.
Nope, grab his mouth. You gotta grab his mouth, Ava, just like Ellie's doing.
If you don't want to hold him, then I'm dropping him in the water.
Yep, put him in the water. Do you not want to, Ava? No?
I put them in that water.
No, it's the same lake. Oh, honey, get him out in the water. Oh, okay.
Another one. Another one.
We're going home now. It's late. Bedtime.